Want to know if a string contains consecutive duplicate characters? So we have already created a video on how to check and remove duplicate characters, but what if they have consecutive duplicate characters? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can just simply recognize them and remove it. So in this code, uh, like if we type in the word hello with two O's, which has double O, we start by taking a string input from the user first out. So I'm just going to type in hello first on the output. So right here I got two O's with me. Once we take the string input from the user, we loop through each character in the string. We compare it to the next character. If we find a pair of identical characters next to each other, we mark a boolean flag as true to stop the loop. Finally, we print whether the string contains consecutive duplicates or not. This is a simple yet powerful way to practice string traversal, indexing, and condition checking in Java. It also helps beginners understand how to compare characters efficiently without using extra memory. So right here you can see under the string here, it says it contains consecutive strings. So if I tap another one, it will still say it got consecutive strings as it has double N. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next round.